It's gonna be a very quick video, about 10 minutes. 10 minutes video. It's gonna be a very quick and fast one. I meant to have come out in the morning, but unfortunately, time could not permit me to come out in the morning. So I decided to slot time for this afternoon to quickly come out and say what I want to say. I meant to come out this morning, but there was no way I can come out this morning. I've got work to do at that time. So unfortunately, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Too many names, so there's no way to call names other than to just acknowledge all of you. Thank you for coming on. Thank you guys for coming on this afternoon. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It is a fast, quick video one. Biometric cards. Fast video. Quick one. In fact, 10, 20, 15 minutes. Can't spend more. I can't spare more than that. You know, if you share any Latin money, lolly. You know, so it has to be a very quick one. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Morning birthday in advance. Good afternoon. Birthday girl in advance. Good afternoon. I don't even know what to buy you. I don't even know what to flash you with. Money birthday. I don't even know what to flash you with. Anyway, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for coming on my platform, Tokunbo Olagbaye, Facebook public platform. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot but recognize you and appreciate all of you, but it's so difficult to appreciate you one by one this afternoon because the names are just there, bunch. So you come out at the same. You guys more or less came out at the same time, so it's a bit difficult, you know, to applaud you individually. But having said that, I want to appreciate you. As a family group. Thanks to all of you. I quickly want to mention this because I know there has been a lot of problem with regards to collection of biometric cards. A lot of people will be asking questions. It's not a daft question if you ask, because what you don't know is what you don't know. And of course, you will need an answer to what you don't know. So what is a biometric card? Biometric card is the card that the Home Office issued you when you are granted status to stay in the United Kingdom. They don't stamp it in the passport anymore. It's a form of a card that is issued. I don't think I have leftovers. Unfortunately, they've all collected it. They have come to collect it this morning. I should have retained one, but they've collected it. So the whole idea of coming out to tell you about biometric card is that biometric card is your status. Don't mix it up. That is your status. So if Home Office said, I am happy, I'm granting you status, that card will come afterwards. After you have received the Home Office letter, that card, of course, will follow it straight away. Now, a lot of people do not understand the work of that biometric card. And as a result of that, they take it so lightly. What you will need to understand is that biometric card, I'm just looking at my camera at the same time, sorry about that, because I have large camera now, you know, so the CCTV television is taking it for me. So what you need to be aware is that biometric card, it's important to you, and without your biometric card, if Home Office return your documents, your passport, your other thing and a letter, you cannot leave the country, even though you've been granted. So get that right. You cannot leave the country. You still have to remain in the UK until you have your biometric card. Now, lately, I realize as a practitioner, that a lot of people change address. And the problem they are having is that the documents, the biometric card, mostly sent to client's address now. It's mostly sent to client's address. So what comes to lawyers mostly, it will be the documentation to show that, for example, this is a typical one. Let me protect this interest. This person is granted now. I'm not going to face it to you. This is granted, you know. That's the form. It's granted now. So what happened is that the document is sent to lawyers. It came back to me. but the biometric card will be sent to that client. Since I haven't received it, it's going to be sent to that client. If you change your address, you have to change it with the lawyer immediately, and lawyer must change it with the Home Office. If you don't change your address with Home Office, you're going to start all over again with your biometric card. Because lately, I'm not available to chat. Who is asking me that question? How can I be available to chat? As soon as I finish here, I'm back in the office. So I'm not available to chat at all. So if you want to speak to me, then you go through my secretary. So the issue here is that biometric card is a form of documentation that gave you the freedom to travel in and out of United Kingdom. But without your international passport, you will not be able to do so. In fact, you will not be able to go into employment without the international passport. So if you have a biometric card and you don't have your international passport, you cannot travel. Now, both of them work together. But I realized that two things I want to correct people and I want to assist you to understand in terms of educating people on this platform. That's why I came out. Change of address is very important. When you change your address, notification of change in the address here, notification on that changes is very important. Notification means that you have to notify your lawyer, and lawyer needs to notify Home Office straight away. If you are unable to notify us on time and your status is granted in the midst of it, you are in trouble. It is most likely that your application will go to the wrong department, to wrong address. It is most likely your application will go to your biometric card will go to the wrong address. Your passport document will come to us, definitely. And if it does come to me, you are owing me, I usually collect my money straight away before biometric card. So if biometric card is not, you have not received biometric card, then you are having problem with the Home Office. I can assist you 10 days later, after the letter has been granted, last received. I can assist you to write to the Home Office and say, hold on a minute, the biometric card has not been received. But let me reassure you, Home Office will send biometric. Yeah, they will send that biometric letter, that biometric card. They will send me a letter to that effect to tell me that they have sent it to your address. One. Secondly, to wake you up this very critical period, a lot of people are applying to DVLA for provisional license before they apply for their permanent license. Yeah, a lot of people are applying to DVLA. Now, you know how much it costs us, how far we have gone to struggle, to plead, to represent, to use every legal jargons in the world to get that document granted. Now, it will be too daft if DVLA is asking you for your biometric card and you are sending it to them without taking it to the bank or to a lawyer to certify it as being real the original. You're going to lose your card. DVLA, and I will say it with all my mouth, with big mouth, DVLA has problem in keeping documents safe. Yes, the department that issue vehicle license agency, DVLA, they are fond of losing people's passport and losing people's biometric card. There are more than 10 situations that have come before my desk, and I realized lately that DVLA is careless. Now, if your biometric card is lost, it will cost you money to replace it. But that replacement money is not what is even important. The time to fill the application again for replacement and to book appointment and to get all the factual information right is the problem. So I will personally be advising you to be careful when it comes to submitting application to the DVLA. Thank you, MB Emila. Exactly. Thank you, Angel Gold. Thank you, Angel Gold. Honestly. Can you please enlighten me how to renew my Nigerian passport? I think you have to go to Nigerian Commission website and go and do renewal there. You go to Nigerian Commission website and do renewal there. You know, so when you are sending documents to DVLA and you have biometric card or your passport, I won't advise you to do so. I see them as a department that does not take people's documents very seriously. Especially Nigerian passport and Nigerian documents are getting missing from DVLA, and I'm very worried. And they will deny it. Professional liars. They always deny things bluntly. So when you are passing documents to them, I beg your pardon, I think you'll be better off. Thank you, Anne. Thank you. She said, the Lord, you are beautiful, I swear. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, when you are passing documents to them, even if you do recorded delivery, they are going to deny you that it wasn't enclosed. That's the funniest thing. Of course, it has to be recorded delivery, but they are denying people in their lifetime to tell them that it wasn't enclosed. They are actually denying people in their lifetime. They will deny you. So it is better to certify that document through banks. Your banking department, the bank you bank with. Let's use that English correctly. The bank you bank with. Take your ID card, your passport and biometric card, take it to them and tell them that, please, can you certify this for me as a true copy of the original. Don't send them your original documents anymore. They are not useful. They are making life difficult for people. I must tell you the fact. They are actually making life so difficult for people. So in other words, there is no need for you to give them your original documents. Because when you are giving them your original documents, it's more or less you're wasting time. You know, it's more or less you're wasting time because they are going to cost you everything that you have fought for. It's going to cost you everything again, and there's no need for it. Thank you, Rita. Thank you. Thank you, Olayinka and Oluwapo. So the bottom line, the reason why I came out now is just to remind you the delicacy in it when you are sending documents to the DVLA. Get it certified. If you can manage to certify the document, it will be nice. Now, because I am your lawyer that represents you on that documentation to get it, I have every power. Even if I'm not your lawyer, you can come to me anytime. I'm a commissioner for oath as of rights, as a solicitor. So which means that I have stamps at all time to stamp document and certify it as true copy of the original, because I am a commissioner for oath. You know, I am a commissioner for oath. So it basically means that I can certify a document as a true likeness of the original and stamp it with my name. I put my name there, you know. So, and that's what you will need to do in the end. You will rather take it to us or take it to your bank to certify that document as a true copy of the original. Never again attempt to send them original biometric card. They are careless and they are very unapologetic. They are careless and they are very unapologetic. Do not send them your original biometric card. There is no need for it. And that's what I'm going to be telling you. Now, for you to receive your biometric card safely when the status is granted, it means you have notified Home Office with the correct address. Now, a lot of people, when we are making representation for you, you will have deceived yourself. Instead of you thinking you're deceiving us, you know, you will have deceived yourself by actually giving us wrong address on the letter of authority. When we ask you to sign letter of authority, a lot of people or many people will rather use that English correctly. Many people will, you know, in the end, give us an address that is incorrect, possibly because of the Secretary of State or because they have some issues together. But in my language, only asheni shire. When your status is granted, it will mean that they are going to send it to the wrong address you gave, and that will cause you stress. If I want to apply for a replacement, unless if it's not lost, but if it's a replacement one I want to apply for, I will charge you to apply because it's a long form to fill online. So I will charge you. And no lawyer will do it for free, not in this world that I know of. No lawyer, because it takes a lot of time to fill in that form. It's about 5-7 pages of form again with many questions inside it, and it's headache. I did one this morning, and I charged him, even though it's a client that I completed for. I won't say he was careless, but he sent his biometric card and he lost it. So I want to advise you, I want to put it out there to the public at large. Don't send your original biometric card to DVLA anymore. There is no need for it. And when you change address, change it with your lawyer straight away, and let Home Office always have the correct address on time. Let Home Office always have the correct address on time. That is the only better way to move forward in life. Without that, it'll be a waste of time. Without that, it'll be a waste of time. So I would advise you, in all circumstances, in all ramifications, when you want to give address, please try as much as possible, give us correct address to help you. Because if you don't give us correct address, you're going to fall foul in the end. You're going to fall foul in the end. So that is the situation there. Give us correct address and you will not get it wrong. But if you don't give us correct address, it will basically mean that you're going to be without a status for some time, and you will not be able to travel out of the country. You're going to get stuck. You're going to get stuck in the country if you fail to give us the correct address. That's just the bottom line. So it's so important, and that's why I came out to say, let me let you know what is happening, and let me put it out to you there that you need to be aware of that and get your belt tied up. If you don't tidy your belt and tied it very well, I'm afraid you're going to be out of status for some time, even though the Home Office has already granted you. That's what I want to say. Apart from that, I haven't got much to hang around for, because I've got loads of paperwork and work to do in the office. So I want to appreciate all of you. Those who want to see me, just make phone call and book appointment. I think that will be the only way forward now. Just make phone call and book the appointment, because I cannot answer all those questions online anymore. This time is not there, and time is money, God bless you. Toyosi Betty Odunuga, Beatrice Adebowale, thank you. Christiana Adeola, thank you. Oluwaseun, thank you. Oluwabukola Fashoro Oduwayi, thank you. To those names that I can see clearly, Florence Sekpememi says, thank you. Yetunde Taiwo, thank you. Thanks to all of you. But I've got to go now. I need to go and have my cup of tea, and I need to continue with the afternoon work. Thank you for your love at all time. Miss Yetunde Taiwo, thank you. Oh, before I go, I had a bit of challenge from a fan or somebody on the page there, or some people thinking that when we did the program on the issue of knife crime, some single parent think that we hammer it on them. We never hammered it on single parent. Let's correct it. Disclaimer. What we said was that it would be nice if the single people can allow their partner to have access to those children, so that they can both bring the kids together successfully, if possible. But in honest with you, we're not saying that is the problem of single parenting. We're saying that it would be nice if you can. That's the way the police said it as well. And go back to my platform. Go and see the police video on my platform. So to challenge us on that topic, it means that you have to challenge the police first and the Home Office. Because that is what exactly the statistics is showing. It's not that we frame it. That is exactly what the statistics is showing. The statistics is showing that a lot of problem that we have in terms of that thing, knife crime, it's as a result of one person struggling to take care of 3, 4, 5 children at the same time. And because of that, there is no checks and balances in terms of checking where the child is, where the boy is, to know what the boy is going through in his school with his friend. You will recollect that bullying is the major problem, and is the starting point of all this problem. Bullying. But it's not that we are saying it categorically that is single parent. We're not hammering it on you. We're not putting that to you. It could be anybody. The most important thing is to have the checks and balances done very well. Know what is doing, know where it's going, know who is seeing, and take it on from there, follow it on from there, and that's the only way forward. But I hate to receive from fan telling me publicly or writing something to me and telling me that, oh, your topic is not broad-minded. You didn't have open-minded, it was broad. You were talking about a particular a set of people in society. It's so rude. It's so rude. We're not talking about a particular set of people. We're open to constructive criticism. Constructive. But not the one that somebody will just open his or her mouth and talk without censoring. It's not fair. You understand? Don't forget that this platform is free. It's not that I put PayPal out there and tell you to come and contribute money for me. God forbid. I am a lawyer and I stand corrected. I know what I'm doing. I am just helping you, disseminating information to the public, receiving it from one end and pushing it back to the public at large. So you are the receiving end, getting the right information at the right time. And that's the only way I can help you. You know, that is the only way. Any other way around it, I don't think so. So when a person wants to open their mouth or practice their writing skills, I think they should practice their writing skills very well with me. Because don't forget, I am a lawyer and I've written a lot in my life. So I can give any language meaning just like this. I can read your statement and I can give it meaning in a second because I am a lawyer and I've been taught all round. I have properly been taught. Have been properly taught all round. So anything you write to me, I can give it its literary meaning just like this. So you have to be careful when you are writing me, especially when you are responding back to me and telling me that the topic is about this or what we did. Constructive criticism is good, but if it's not constructed properly, then it's a problem. So the way you construct it is very important when you want to criticize. You have to construct it very well. If you don't construct it and you put it there arrogantly, I'm going to lambast you back. Believe me, I will not let it land. And that's the situation because I am doing this for free and I enjoy it. And that's just it. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got to go now, but I have to say I love you guys on my platform. Please, I love you. Just like and share the video and let them know that DVLA is not a department you have to send your original documents to, especially your biometric card and your passport. They don't take them very seriously. It's always got missing all the time. And we've got too many complaints about DVLA. So as a result of that, I intentionally came out and said, be careful when you send the original document to DVLA, your passport and biometric card, because replacement will cost you money. And that is it. Apart from that, I've got to go. Guys, take care for now. I love you more, my dear. Love you too. People should have an open mind as regards sensitive topic. Exactly. Instead of just complaining and blaming people, you know, we will always put it there, open mind, sensitive topic. You know, but see you again when I'm able to come out. Take care, guys. I love you and I can't love you less. God bless you too. Bless you and have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon and the evening. As for me, I am here with my destiny working hard. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Temi Dradebowale, thank you. Iwe Ade, thank you. Don Moste, thank you. Thank you. Bye for now. Thanks. Always let me see you guys on my platform. I love your name. I love to see all of you. Bye for now.